Enabling Bitcoin on Venmo is a straightforward process that allows users to buy, sell and hold cryptocurrencies directly within the Venmo app. To get started, you need to have a Venmo account and be located in a region where cryptocurrency trading is supported. First, open the Venmo app and navigate to the menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. From the menu, select Manage and then tap on Cryptocurrency to access the cryptocurrency section. Next, review and agree to the terms and conditions of using cryptocurrency on Venmo, which includes understanding the risks and fees associated with buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Once you have accepted the terms, you can proceed to set up your cryptocurrency account. To do this, tap on Get Started and follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may involve providing additional information such as your name, address, and social security number to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. After verifying your identity, you can link a funding source such as a bank account or debit card to buy Bitcoin. You can then navigate to the cryptocurrency section and select Bitcoin to view the current price and your available balance. To buy Bitcoin, tap on the Buy button and enter the amount you want to purchase. Review the transaction details, including the price and any fees, before confirming the purchase. It is essential to note that Venmo charges a small fee for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, which is typically a percentage of the transaction amount. Additionally, the price of Bitcoin can fluctuate rapidly, so it is crucial to do your research and understand the risks before investing. To sell Bitcoin, navigate to the cryptocurrency section and select the Sell option. Enter the amount you want to sell and review the transaction details before confirming the sale. Best practices for using Bitcoin on Venmo include setting a budget and sticking to it, monitoring the market and adjusting your investments accordingly, and keeping your account and transactions secure by using strong passwords and two-factor authentication. By following these steps and guidelines, you can easily enable Bitcoin on Venmo and start buying, selling and holding cryptocurrencies. Remember to always do your research and understand the risks and fees associated with cryptocurrency trading before making any investments.